So, students, let us begin our today's question answer session. Today we are going to discuss the exercise question answers of chapter number 8 of your geography NCERT book, and it is in page number 64. Okay. So, the first question that is mentioned in your book, that is number 1, answer the following questions briefly. And in that segment, the question number A, that is, which winds bring rainfall in India and why is it so important? Okay, so the first question is, which winds bring rainfall to India and why is it so important? Okay, and the answer is the southwestern monsoon the southwestern monsoon bring rainfall in India. Okay, and why it is so important? So that is a descriptive answer, so I am not giving the second part. I can discuss that the winds blow from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal was and these two winds carry huge amount of vapor with them towards the land, and when these winds strike the mountain barriers, in the mountain barriers like Himalaya, the rainfall occurs in Indian subcontinent, mainly the Gangetic plain. So that's why this northwestern monsoon was very much important for the rainfall occurred in India. Number B is, name the different seasons in India. It is very easy, you can know what are the different seasons mentioned in the chat box. Yes, those students are present. Okay, if you know the answer, then write in the chat box that name the different season of India. Okay, next part will not come in examination because it is a descriptive part. You have to read from the inside the chapter. I am not giving the answer because I have discussed right now that it carries the lot of water vapor from the Bay of Bengal as well as Arabian Sea, and when the northwestern monsoon wind enters Indian subcontinent, it struck on the mountains like Himalayas, western and eastern Ghats, and they precipitated in Indian subcontinent, means they occurred rainfall in this region. That's why it is very much important, and because India is an agricultural country, so agriculture is a main occupation of the people, so that's why, and for the agriculture rainfall is necessary. So that's why this wind, it is so important. Okay, so next one, and very good, all the students already given the answer that winter, summer, rainy and autumn, these are the main seasons in India. Yes, students, and you have to mention the time period of these 4 seasons. Okay, the time period of 4 seasons. The first one, winter from December to February. And winter from December to February. I have mentioned earlier when I have discussed this chapter, I have also discussed this thing. And hot weather season, it is the summer. Summer timing, it is from the March to May. It is from March to May. Next one, it is the rainy season, and time period from June to September. June to September, and the last one, it is the autumn. And autumn time period, it is from the October and November. So all the students are requested to mute their microphone. Okay. If you have anything to ask, you can ask me in the chat box. Yes, so that's all from the answer of question number B. Now question number C. Question number C is that what is natural vegetation? So students, the natural vegetation, this part is not included in your syllabus. Okay. So directly start. So this is not included in your syllabus. That's why I am not giving the answer. Next one, it is the name the different types of vegetation found in India. It is also out of syllabus. The name of the different types of vegetation found in India. Number E, what is the difference between evergreen forest and deciduous? This is also not included. And number F, why the tropical rainforests are called evergreen forest? This is also from the forest region. So this is also not included in your syllabus. So the next one we are going to discuss, this is the number 2, tick the correct answer portion. Tick the correct answer portion. Okay, so those have completed. I am rubbing the board. So students, if you have completed this, then mention in the chat box, I am rubbing the board for the next question. Okay. So now tell me, in the tick the correct answer portion, 2A. So that is, the world's highest rainfall occurs in which place? Option number A, Mumbai. Option number B, Asansol. Option number 3, Mausinram. And the correct answer already given. That is Mausinram. Very good, Diptok and Ognik, Nilanjan Mainak. Okay, everyone given the correct answer. Mausinram. It is in a village. It's a village in Meghalaya. Meghalaya is a district in the northeastern India. Okay, this is Mausinram. Next one, number B. Okay, so this is also a question that is from the natural vegetation portion. So that is not included. Though I am giving you the answer that mangrove forest can thrive in saline water, fresh water or polluted water, and the correct answer will be the saline water. Okay. Next, number C, that mahogany and rosewood trees are found. This is also out of syllabus. So directly start the number D, that wild goats and snow leopards are found in number 1, Himalayan region, number 2, peninsular region, and number 3, Gir forest. So which will be the correct answer? Mention in the chat box that wild goats and snow leopards are found in Himalayan region, peninsular region or Gir forest. Okay, Himalayan region, very good. So it is in Himalayan region. So it is in Himalayan region, number D. Next one, number E, that during the southwest monsoon period, the moisture laden winds blow from option number 1, land to sea, option number 2, sea to land, option number 3, plateau to plants. So which will be the correct answer? Okay, students said sea to land, most of them said, and it is the correct answer. So correct answer is option number 2, sea to land. Okay, and the previous options, these are also, it is option number 1 from your book, and the first one, it is option number 3 from your book. So now this segment is completed. Now we directly move towards the fill in the blanks. Number 3, fill in the blanks. So I am writing only the correct answer in the board. So 3.1, the sentence is hot and dry winds known as dash blow during the day in the summers. Correct answer, Lu. Very good. It is the Lu. Number B, that the states of Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu receive a great amount of rainfall during the season of monsoon. No. Retreating monsoon. Correct answer. It is autumn. Correct answer is autumn. Okay. So the Tamil Nadu in Andhra Pradesh, those regions, they receive rainfall twice in a year. Okay. That's why the very dense forest observed in this region, mainly the Western Ghat region in Kerala also. The rainfall occurred twice in a year, because when the northwestern monsoon entered in India and when returned, both the times they occurred huge rainfall in these regions. So that's why dense forest observed we can see in these regions, in the Western Ghat mountain regions. Okay, you cannot see me. So students, if you not so rest of the students, can you see me clearly? Mention in the chat box. Yes, everything is okay, no problem. Okay, Ayush, if you have any problem, then log out once and log in again. And mute your microphone. Now question number C. So what is the question? C, that dash forest in Gujarat is the home of dash. So two blanks are there. So you have to write the two answer here. Dash forest in Gujarat is the home of dash. Yes, Gir forest and Asiatic lion. Anubhav wrote the correct answer, given the correct answer. It is the Gir forest in Gujarat. And Gir forest is the only place in India where we can see the Asiatic lions. And the next one, comma, Asiatic lions. So Gir forest is in Gujarat, is the home of Asiatic lions. Now question number D, that dash is a well known species of mangrove forest. This is also from the forest region. Yes, Sundari, it is also correct. Sundari, Garan, Gewa, these are some mangrove trees. These are the trees grown in mangrove forest. Now number E, that dash are also called monsoon forests. Okay, so this is also not part of our syllabus, that's why I am not giving you the answer. Okay, so that's all from our exercise portion. Now I am giving you some inside question. Okay, so students, so I am rubbing this board. Those have completed. I think everyone have completed their exercise. So that's why I am rubbing the board. Okay. So extra question number 1. So extra question number 1, tell me that which week was observed which week is observed as the wildlife week? In India? Okay, so which week is observed as the wildlife week? If you know the answer, second week of which month? June second week. No, it's a wrong answer. The answer is second week. It is wrong answer. It is the first week of October. Okay, the answer is first week of October. Observed as the wildlife week. Okay. So it is completed. So now I am asking some question. If you know the answer, then tell me. So tell me that elephants are found in which state? The elephants are found in which state? Elephants in India are found in which state? Okay, one said Assam, it is also correct. Kerala also correct. And another one? Another one, it is Karnataka. So Assam, Kerala and Karnataka, the place, and also in Jharkhand. Okay, so these are some states where elephants are found. Now tell me, which is the natural habitat of one-horned rhinoceros? One-horned rhinoceros. Which is the natural habitat? Which state is the natural habitat of one-horned rhinoceros? And very good, everyone given the correct answer. It is Assam. In Kaziranga Kaziranga and Manas National Reserve, these are the places where the one-horned rhinoceros are found. Okay, students. So thank you for giving these answers. So I am finishing my class today. So next day we will discuss another chapter with some insight and exercise question answers. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye everyone.